everybody. Hope everybody out there in the YouTube world is doing fine. Just wanted to bring you a segment, Chicken Coop DIY. I got these designed from Anna White, AnnaWhite.com. I like the idea. It works very well. I overbuilt my chicken coop a little bit. Normally the wood that you see right here, these 2x8s or 2x10s, they're a little bit pricey if you go to Home Depot or Lowe's to try and buy them. So typically people may use 2x4 or something a little bit smaller, but I opted to go for that because it's a little bit heavier duty, beefed up. But yeah, I'm just going to give you a brief overview of my chicken coop, you know, so far. So basically, the chicken's going to be able to enter the chicken coop and come out of the chicken coop from these doors. And inside of here is going to be a ladder. Let me get a board, give you a little example. It's going to be a board like this. Similar to that, or maybe like this, more so like that. So that's going to be the ladder for the chickens to climb up in, or they may just jump up in there. I wonder if you can see my face. I hope you can see my face on here. So yeah, but basically it's a pretty simple design. It's taken me a few months to do because it's been a project on and off. Work on it a few hours on the weekend. That's about it. But I'm about 60% done right now. So basically, this area is going to be down here is when I want to have the chickens locked up. And they can free range on the inside. So I'm going to have a hinge right here, a lockable hinge. And also too, I'm kind of thinking about a design to where I can put some wheels on it to make this thing mobile. Because it's kind of heavy to move for one person, so I'm thinking about making it mobile so I can move it around my backyard. And now, this section right here is still open. So what I'm thinking about doing, with this section right there, that right there, thinking about having it as a tool storage. And I want to have a door on the top of here to where it can pivot up and pivot down as a tool storage, because it's going to be you won't be able to see, this won't be open at all. It's going to be a flat piece of board in there. So I want to have it to where it'll be a door. Hey, what's up, man? What's up, bro? Not much. So I want to have it to where it's going to be a door. It'll open up and close down on hinges. So I'll just give you all a brief walk around the coop. This is the side view. So you can see down below, I got chicken wire down there below. That's a view of the back right there. Still gotta make the remaining sides. And I'm also thinking about putting some insulation on this. Insulation on the walls, just insulate the whole entire thing, especially the top where the chicken's gonna be enclosed, right up here in the chicken coop itself. Down below, I'm not really worried about that being insulated, because like I said, that's gonna be for them to free range when I want to have them locked in. So I keep on going around. So like I said, that's where I want that door to be, where it can open and close up right there. It can open like that, or I may even have it open it from this way. But I want it to be tool storage down in there. You won't be able to see that because once I finish, it's gonna be a 2x, it's gonna be plywood covering this whole entire area, so you won't be able to see in there. So it'll just be like a big tool storage box. So this is the other side. Sorry about all my stuff I got in the way. I'm trying to make this as easy as possible. If you guys got any questions or comments, ask away. Feel free to. All right, YouTube. Thank y'all. See you next time. Peace.